Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on Khoisan products. Today you're going to see me use the shampoo, the deep conditioner, as well as the styler, and I'm so excited about this video. I did buy this at the Cape Town Natural Hair Festival in December 2019, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Before we get into this video, these are the results, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more, but please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I'm going to start off by saying that these are the results. I got a whole lot of frizz, something I wasn't happy with. Generally frizz isn't a problem, but the frizz was really bad from, the end of the wash day with the styler, and I am going to talk about the styler. So my hair in the front is recently refreshed. I refreshed it just before coming on camera. I like the volume, and something else that I really like is just how soft my curls feel. You guys can see, as I said, something else about this product is that it took my hair forever to dry. I even woke up with my hair a little bit damp. I'm not sure what that is about, but it took forever to dry. As I said, these are the results. I haven't really refreshed my hair that much. Just in the front there was a whole lot of frizz. The front part of my hair was a big poof, so I literally had to put some water, and I reapplied the styler as well. I bought the sample sizes at the Cape Town Natural Hair Festival, and it came in this cute little packaging, and I'm just going to open it up and show you what's inside. So inside there were two products. As I said, these are the sample sizes. It came with the natural curl hair mask, and it also came with the natural curl shampoo, and then I went on and I bought the natural hair curl candy, which is the styler. Now let's start off with the shampoo. So I started off washing my hair with the shampoo. It smells really nice. It has a very nice light texture, and it does foam up a lot. It took forever to rinse out. That was something I didn't like about the product. You really got to stay under the tap and rinse it out. But it says on the packaging it's naturally good. This is the Khoisan Collection. It's the coconut and avocado oils natural curl shampoo. This isn't the only line of products that they have, but this is the line that I chose. And it says that it's sulphate free, and it nourishes dry as well as damaged hair. I used this, as I said, it took forever to kind of rinse out. The results were okay. My hair did have a lot of volume, not too much frizz from the wash. I also felt that my hair wasn't as soft and as hydrated as I would have wanted it to be after using this shampoo. So overall it was just a little bit below average for me. After that, I went in with the hair mask. This is the Naturally Good Khoisan Collection Kalahari Melon Seed Oil and Kraalbos Natural Curl Hair Mask. It promises on here to repair hair, and it also says that it is a leave-in conditioner, and it also says here it's a hair mask. Let's look at the directions. It says on here to apply it, and then it says leave for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse and style. Alternatively, use as a leave-in conditioner. I didn't use this as my leave-in conditioner. I just used it as a mask. It went on really nicely. I like the results. While I was rinsing my hair was so soft, it really felt like butter. I think that this is a hair mask really did help after the way my hair felt after using the shampoo. But this was really nice. I think I forgot to show the results. After it was all rinsed off, my hair was just okay. Not the best deep conditioner that I personally have used, but it did an okay job. Moving on to styling, I didn't use this as a leave-in because I used almost half just as a mask or deep conditioner. So when it came to styling, as usual, I put my hair in sections, and I applied the Naturally Good Khoisan Collection Coconut and Avocado Oils Natural Curl Candy. It promises frizz control, which it didn't deliver for me personally, and it defines natural curls as well. Now, as I said, I got a whole lot of frizz from the product, but I do like the volume, and I like how soft my hair feels. Before I end the video, I'm just going to read some information on the packaging. It says it's the Khoisan Collection inspired by our indigenous Khoisan, and it's a product with a purpose. On the side of the packaging here, it tells us there's a sulphate-free shampoo for normal to oily skin. They also have a natural curl sulphate-free shampoo, which is the one that I use. They have a natural conditioner. I didn't try that. And they have the natural curl hair mask. That's the one I used. They also have body care. They have a sulphate-free hand wash, a natural hand and body lotion, and they also have a waterless sanitizer. And then before we go, just being a South African, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about the Khoisan. And on the packaging it says that the Khoisan were skilled hunters and gatherers who used plants to heal themselves. Ingredients of these products contain Kalahari melon seed oil, Kraalbos and pure crystal salt from the Kalahari. It says the Khoisan females chewed the seeds of the Kalahari melon and applied it into their skin for protection and nourishment. These seeds contain omega oils, which nourish, hydrate, and regenerate the epidermis of the skin. It says that the Kraalbos is used for its antibacterial properties, which are beneficial for skin ailments. Traditionally, it's used for pimples, rashes, lice, toothache, as well as dandruff. And how interesting is that? It says the crystal salt is used in the natural hand wash, and the sulphate-free shampoo contains essential minerals needed by our body. The Khoisan use this salt for food, health, as well as spiritual healing. And in the description box, I'm going to put their email address as well so that you can reach out to them and you can contact them, and you can also buy their products as well. Proudly South African, local products, and locally sourced as well. So to wrap up, guys, these are the results. My hair is soft. The styler was the Curl Candy. As I said, they do have another line of products, but I just bought this one, which is the pink one. And I said to you guys, or rather I read out what each one contains, and then on the packaging as well, you know, the benefits. To be honest with you guys, I can't remember the prices. I think it was under 100 Rand. It was something like 70 or 80 Rand. I think even for this, or if I'm mistaken, I must have paid maybe 55 Rand for two, but it was quite affordable in brackets. It wasn't like in the 150 to 200 range for the products. I forgot because I did buy them in December, as I said, and it's already 2020, so you can reach out to them for prices and stuff like that. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.